guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are going to do a quick love reading for Cancer. Let's see what's going to happen for Cancer in their love life in the coming month, that is August 2020. Let's see what's happening for the love life in August 2020 for Cancer. This is a general reading, guys, so it might not resonate with everyone. So just keep that in mind. What's happening for Cancer in their love life? This is going to be for August 2020, about Cancer and their love life. Okay, 5 of Pentacles, Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, the Star, Aquarius, 3 of Wands, Fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag, 9 of Swords, Air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, 9 of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Son of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. And the bottom of deck is the Lovers, Gemini. Okay. So for Cancer, what I'm seeing here is, these are your person's feelings, these are your feelings, okay? I'm definitely seeing you, your person might be quite hopeful in the month of August. They will feel as if they need to do more, they need to invest more. They will be quite hopeful about this relationship. You can expect a little bit more from this person. Okay? The chase game begins. This person will chase you. They will literally try to find you. If you are in a no contact situation from a very long time, Cancer, this person will chase you. They will feel your absence. Okay? They will want to work out things. If this person was in third party situation, they will, get done with it. They will end the third party situation and come back to you. And the doors will be open and you will you can go back to this person, or either this person will come back to you. I'm definitely seeing a lot of chasing. Okay. A lot of chasing from this person's side. What I can see from these cards that I have pulled for you is, you will be quite guarding yourself, your feelings. It is quite possible this person was not fair with you in the past, and you are quite guarding your feelings. You are not showing what you feel for them. Okay. All the feelings, all the love, all the care, all the affection, you will be guarding it. You will be keeping it secured, because you don't trust this person anymore. Okay, because of the past scenario, you don't trust this person anymore. It is as if you allow this person, they hurt you and go back, and again this person comes back. So this is kind of an on and off situation you have dealing with this person from a very long time, and you just want to get over with it. You will allow this person, but you will be very minimal when you're showing your feelings to them. You won't go off limits with this person. I'm definitely seeing you feel as if this person doesn't bring much to offer. They don't offer much to you when it comes to their feelings. They don't commit to you. You trust this person and then they leave you in the darkness. So this kind of shatters you down. So I am seeing this person wanting to invest into this relationship, and you will guard yourself. You will not be 100% open out there for this person. You will guard yourself and your feelings. But somewhere, because the Lovers card is the bottom of the deck, I'm definitely seeing you both have these mutual feelings for each other. These feelings are mutual. You can't run away. You can't wash off. You can't deny that you love this person, but the thing is, you are a bit more guarding your feelings, because this person comes in, goes off. Their on and off behavior is sort of confusing you. They even have took you for granted in the past. Because you're always open and available to this person takes you for granted. So you're not quite trustful about this person. You don't trust this person anymore. You want this person to chase you now. You want this person to offer you something more and something more solid. Okay. If this person is in third party situation, for many of you, I definitely see your person is either married to someone else, or they are in a committed relationship with someone else, and they need to decide. But somewhere deep down, you have hopes that this person won't hurt you anymore. If they come back, they won't leave you in the dark. Okay, Cancer, you are definitely guarding your feelings. You are not showing it openly to this person. You don't want to be taken granted, your feelings. You don't want your feelings to be taken granted. You don't want your love to be taken granted. So you're kind of quite alert and quite aware when you express your love to this person. Okay, which is a good thing. If you're guarding your feelings for your own betterment and for your own security, it is quite good. But the thing is, you love this person and they love you back. Okay, there is a strong and pull you both feel towards each other. Even if this person is with someone else, you love them and they love you. Okay, so they just need to decide. The moon, definitely a lot of secrecy is going on in this person's life. Either they are not showing openly what they feel, or maybe they are hiding things from you. If there is a third party situation, they need to come out with a firm decision. They can't be wishy-washy all the time with you. They can't take your feelings for granted. Because they know you love them, they can't take you for granted. Okay, Cancer, definitely mysterious and secretive energies definitely surrounding in August month too. But I think this person will realize in August that you can't be the one chasing this person. They have to chase you too. There must be an equal give and take. Okay, they need to win your trust back. Princess of Swords. Definitely, I think you want some sort of clarification from this person. You want them to come very clear. You want them to come with whatever they feel. You must feel it too by their actions. Okay, no words, not just words, but their actions must show whatever they are feeling for you. Okay, so you want some sort of explanation from this person's side, or some sort of decision. Maybe the Devil. I think you both are in this karmic cycle. You both are feeling tied to each other. You both are not being able to forget each other or cut ties with each other, because you are karmically connected. There is a karmic connection going on. Six of Cups. I'm definitely seeing you want a sense of fulfillment in this relationship. You don't want secrecy. You don't want uncertainty. You don't want this person to go back and come back. Their on and off behavior, or maybe they are into this third party situation which you came to know about. You don't want all this. You want a simple, straightforward and very clear relationship going on with this person. Okay, Cancer. Let's see what advice do we have for you for the month of August. What advice do we have? Two cards. Prayer. I think you need to pray more. You need to become more spiritual. You need to connect with your higher self. Okay, just pray more. Spend some time with yourselves and spend some time talking with the God, the angels, the divine spirits, spirit guides. Just ask them for clarity in your situation. Just ask spirits and angels clarity in your situation. Okay, you need to pray more. You need to connect more with God. or with the higher self. Okay, you will find your answer through prayers. Perseverance, I think right now, till now you have been showing perseverance a lot, and you need to continue doing this. Okay, you love this person, which is very sure, very clear with this Lover's card. You are karmically connected to this person. There needs to be this cycle that needs to, complete with this person before everything goes right. So just show your perseverance, just go through it. Okay, you just have to be patient. You just need to be calm. You just need to, settle down your feelings so as to gain clarity in this relationship. There definitely will be clarity in this relationship in the future. Okay, let's see what advice do we have by my handwritten messages. What advice do we have for Cancer? New job, definitely a job change coming for many of you. Either you are wanting to change job, or maybe an opportunity will be presented to you by the divine, or universe, to let you change your current job. Maybe you're not happy with your current job. Okay, communication, there needs to be very clear communication between you and this person to clear the air, just to clear whatever you both are going through. Loyal, I think now this person is quite genuine and devoted to you. They will be loyal to you. You just need to keep your eyes open, your heart open, to see what this person is acting like. Okay, friendship, I think you will be attracting great friendships in August. Okay, healing, I think you need healing. Maybe this person was into a third party situation you came to know about, and you need to heal yourself. You just need to heal your broken heart, is what I'm feeling for you, Cancer. I just wish you might come out of this dilemma, whatever you're going through in August. I hope your August month will be best. Okay, so yes, my good wishes, my love, my blessings are with you. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and yes, see you in next video, Cancer.